there's something wrong with this piano track, and that's the reason why this is not making any sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this drop down menu here and click on it, and I'm going to choose instrument. And so this is where we can see our details with our MIDI instruments. And so if I solo this track and hit play here, you can see there's nothing going on this meter and there's nothing going on this meter. And so when it's grayed out, what I've discovered is you can just go click where it says none, and basically it's gotten disconnected from the plugin, right? So you just go and find the track that you're on. So I'm on the piano track, and then you find the plugin that you have. So I go to piano and I go to labs, and then I click channel 1, and now I should get sound out of this. So that's one thing you can do if things aren't behaving properly, whether it's grayed out or not. You can go to this instrument view here and you can click on this output panel and make sure it's actually matching the plugin that you have on the track. And then hopefully that fixes your problem.